Happy Sunday, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for another card tutorial. Today, I'm going to be utilizing some satin strip pieces that I have, a couple of things that I had cut out for cards gone wrong, and of course, I have my 110-pound cardstock here for my card base, which is 5.5 by 4.25. And my first layer here, which is just 4 by 5.25. Yes, okay. And of course, this is something I had printed out from under Microsoft Word, and it didn't suit the purpose I needed, so I'm going to be using that. And here are my satin strips that I'm going to be utilizing. I'm going to be using a couple of markers here to do a little bit of coloring, and I may use this here. I'm not sure yet. I have this, just handy in case I wanted to maybe make something stand out. And of course, before we begin, I would just like to say thank you to all of my subscribers, those of you who stop by and watch my videos. I do appreciate it. Without you, of course, I would not have the desire to do those videos. So let's go ahead and start off. So basically what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and color. This is a construction worker. So I'll go ahead and get the hat colored. I'm using a yellow gel pen just so that it can stand out a little more. And I'll just go ahead and get that done. Okay, guys, so I just used the gel pen and I just colored the jacket, construction jacket. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to utilize a couple of these small pieces here. I'm going to put it on either side of the jacket, supposedly as a reflector, because construction workers need reflectors, right? So I'll get that put in here. Okay, so I supposedly have 2 reflectors. If you would like, you could color the shirt and what have you, but that's not 100% necessary for me. Okay, now at this point, I have my matted piece that I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to layer this in a way that I can get some sort of an effect or a design that I am hoping to achieve. So I'm going to be adding the glue here. The first one, I'm going to place it just above, whoops. I can always use my corner shaper or puncher just to make, fix it after the fact. So this is the first one, okay? Then I'm going to use green. Now, what I will be doing is I'll kind of be staggering it until it gets up to here. So I'll be going with 3 colors, the green, blue satin, and gold. So I'm going to get that done, and I shall be right back. Okay, guys, so this is what I mean by staggered. So I just basically, had it nice and, just alternate each color. And at this time, I'm going to go ahead and adhere this into the center part. However, I'm going to be using dimensional squares for that. So I'm going to put some squares, and if you have wider ones, feel free to do that. Now, this card can be used for any occasion, whether it's Father's Day, whether it's just a birthday, just depends. Maybe you have a construction worker in the family and you want to, do some sort of a, some card or something. Yes, that would be an option. Now, this picture, like I said, in Microsoft Word, there is the section where it says to insert a picture, and there is the option for you to insert your own picture, or you can use from the stock photos in Microsoft. And that's where I got this one from. I cannot remember if it was under icons or which section it was, but I got this here. And, I thought it would have been nice for another card I was doing, but I changed my mind. It just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. So I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that this is, as centered as possible. And then I'm going to go ahead and adhere it to my 110-pound card card base, because 110 pound is pretty sturdy and it's able to take a lot of, weight, a lot more weight than, I find the 80 pound or the, forgot the other poundage people use, but I usually do the 110 pound, and that 110 pound I get from Michael's because, I found it to be, you know, again, pretty sturdy and able to take weight. So this is basically the card. I would be doing this as a Father's Day card. So I will go ahead and include the Father's Day sentiment. The issue is that I misplaced my stamp. See you next week. Be safe and blessed. Bye-bye.